Hello everybody, welcome to my house videos. Today we're filming another unfinished house. Has a very farmhouse look to it, doesn't it? I think we can go right in the front door. I usually go in through the garage, but looks like the front doors are available. Big porch. Whoa, almost fell down. Big step upward. This is what it looks like inside. Outside. Come on, focus now. Look at that attic. No insulation yet. Someone's in here. I'm not alone in here. No, that's my father. My father came with me today. That's him right over there. In the kitchen, there's the dining room. Fireplace. And in here, there's the master bedroom. The bedroom has a nice little fountain to look at. Yeah, that's nice. Tall ceiling. This is the bathroom. 2 sinks. A shower. I believe that's going to be the I don't even think there's a tub in here. Okay. There's a toilet. And then in here's the closet. Big closet. High ceiling. Hopefully this thing focuses. So you'll see my dad walk around. And then here's a powder room. Drop zone. Laundry room. Enormous garage. Pantry probably. Windows out the front. I've already run more than half my video. You walk in here, there's like a big theater room or living room or whatever with a tray ceiling. And then over in here you get the 2 other bedrooms. Its closet, big windows, big windows. Looks like they get their own bathroom in there. And then there's a room off of this room. Pretty oddly shaped. Let me see if I can show you the back before the video runs out. And then there's another bathroom over here, which I don't understand this. I'm going to see if I can go out the back. Yeah, there's only 2 houses in this development so far. There's the other one, but it's all locked up. I can't go inside it. And knowing my policy, I don't force entries. It's so muddy out here. Oh, almost fell over. Pretty pond, and there'll be more houses over there. So it's very plain, not much to see. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, just one other thing, that stairway that you saw, that just goes up to the attic. There's no rooms up there. Alright, well, you have a nice day and enjoy it. Goodbye.